guys, my name is Surendra Singh. I am going to discuss about how a class 11 or class 12 or even a college fresher can start coding. In this video, I am going to show you the complete roadmap to start coding. So to start coding, you should know a language. Now there are three main languages which are Python, C++ and Java. So you have to start with either C++ or Java. Now why not Python? Because Python is mainly for machine learning, which we are going to study in our 4th year. My recommendation is start with C++. Now why C++? Because most of the tech companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon contest their programs mainly in C++ language. And also if you know C++ language, it would just take a week to learn Java. Because the syntax are almost same, just there are few differences. So what you are going to learn in C++? So you will start with basics of C++, then you will learn algorithms of C++, then you will learn data structures of C++. After that, you will go for competitive coding. Now what is competitive coding? Websites like HackerRank and CodeChef have a lot of questions regarding these languages, which you will practice and enhance your coding skills. Now if you solve these questions, you will improve your analytical thinking and problem solving techniques. Firstly, what you are going to learn in C++? Now I am going to show you what the things you are going to learn in C++. Firstly, you will learn basics of C++. Now in basics of C++, you will learn data types. Now as you see, there are three types of data types, that is primitive, derived and user defined. In primitive, you will learn int, char, float, double and long also. And you will learn how much byte that each occupy. Then you will learn algorithms of C++. In algorithm, you will learn heap, binary search, sorting, simple operations over the sequence and non-modifying operations. After that, you will go and learn data structures. In data structures of C++, you will learn linear and non-linear. In linear, you will learn array, stack, queue and linked list. And in non-linear, you will learn graphs and trees. And then you will go for competitive coding. These are some of the famous competitive coding websites. Most of the famous coders use CodeChef. My recommendation is, if you are new to competitive coding, go for HackerRank. When you visit hackerrank.com, you will see this interface and then come here and sign up and code. So when you click sign up, you will get this face and you just put your name, email address and password and create an account and start coding. When you clear your basics in HackerRank, come to CodeChef. Now you will see this interface in CodeChef. Now come here new to programming and don't know where to start, just click here, start here. Okay, and then it will automatically come this. Now just go and just generally search these questions, just read its answer, you will just get a clear idea. And then come scroll down and then you will see here, these are some of the documentation you can learn from this. Then just come here, awesome C++, then you will start coding here. Okay, now we have talked about what you are going to learn, but the main question is from where you are going to learn. So come to YouTube and search Apna College C++. Then you will see a playlist like this. Just click on the playlist and you can learn all these topics which I have told you. But the disadvantage is these lectures all are in Hindi. If you know Hindi, you can go for this. But if you don't know Hindi, you can go for Udemy courses. Now come to Google and search Udemy C++ course. Now then go for this website, C++ courses, and after clicking this you will get a page like this. Now just scroll down and you can go for this. This will be in English. Now this is a paid course, $490. But if you want it for free, you can DM me on Instagram. I will say you how you can get this course for absolutely free. Keep calm and love coding. Ensure that after learning these topics, please go to HackerRank and practice lots of questions regarding these topics to improve them. Now there is one important thing. If you practice question, you will learn. If you only watch lectures or just learn those topics, you are not going to improve. You will improve only by practicing lots of questions. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubt, please DM me on my Instagram account and I will solve your queries. If this video was helpful to you, or if you learned something from this, please like. And if you have any doubt, you can also comment down on the comment sections. That's all for today's video.